My people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening for where una for the watch me. So my name still remain Anthony, una anchor man where they present this first aid immigrant solution. So ever since I was a little bit comot for area because of say work and other things can't keep my time now. Say my quick rush, can't drop some kind of things where I see no say our people go still need. Like yesterday now for INS website, they come talk say for those people where they know say that they get contract where they know say they under cough or badanti. What did that one mean for English now? I want to so those people where they know say that they do domestic work or that they do this taking care of all these elderly people or all these people where they sick, that they take care of them, that they help them till they do one or two things. If you know say your contract is dey 10 hours and above in a week, and government contract say they will give una €500 for April and €500 for May. Everything will come be €1,000 where they want give una concerning this bonus. Those money where they want give una so now to help una based on say those people where you know say they get contract from 10 hours and above. Now they talk say they'll feel help. And if you know say for under these two categories, say your contract of work, the right cough or badanti put. Now those people will feel benefit for this bonus where it also. And where you will do this bonus easy. If you do one for INS online, if you know say you sabi computer or you see get all the requirements where the city they apply for this INS online, or if you go any syndicati, wetin be syndicati, all those people where they talk say that they call labor workers, where like all those CGH, Chisley, SLGB and other syndicati where they know say or other workers where are not fit mention because they're many for Italy, where you fit go, they fit still help you out to fit apply for this bonus where you just come out. So but concerning another thing where I still like shook my mouth put be say concerning this document where they go on now concerning the document where they talk say they want to do. So before the end of this week, probably from on the 28th upwards, before the end of this week where we did, so today now 26. So the contract said the final say concerning the document go come out. So now they will know wetin the final say can talk about. So now I said now this week now they come talk say they want talk the conclude part of the document matter. So after the don talk, I'll see call this channel, can see drop am for now so that one of us still know wetin they can see talk. Then about the turn off of this lockdown, all this regional lockdown where they talk say they propose say they go remove where you will fit comot for your region to another region on the 3rd of June, where they see they propose say they want remove am. So they never see conclude that one. So no, first see whether they'll see conclude that one. They say if they conclude that one, Nigeria embassy it go open on the 8th of June if they conclude that one. But if they not see conclude that one, they fit still shift that one because if inter-regional movement not the Nigeria embassy not fit open. They say if they remove this inter-region, if they don't talk say we fit they move from inter-regional one which is on the 3rd, then from on the 4th Nigeria embassy, Italian embassy for Nigeria go open if they don't remove this inter-regional movement. So now I say I can say shook my mouth for this one. Then concerning embassy, oh, if they remove this inter-regional movement restriction where if they so, which means on the 8th Nigeria embassy will be open. So for those people who go know say they will apply for this document, they fit use the opportunities to go do their nationality or passport with the fit apply. Now say I quick on shook my mouth for all these things where I bring together, all these bonus and other things where I first sit up. Make sure say you watch this video to the end so that maybe for understand everything where I just put together. Say drop this video. So more than not forget to subscribe so that anytime where I upload any video, una will get notification for una phone or any other thing when I take dey watch me, because I no fit call everybody. So if una still get any question or the way I still take talk am, if una feel say I not talk am well, una still get any other information wey una feel say people will still learn from, or may I still shook my mouth, una fit drop una comment for the down of this video. Una no forget, I still remain Anthony. Una bye bye.